Okay, welcome back to the channel. So this video here is a little premature because there's a couple of videos that I wanted to put in before this one. I took the first ride today on the 81 shovel. It ran perfectly. No issues with the motor, no issues with the transmission. I am having a hard time finding neutral, and I think that's more of a clutch issue. Might need to scuff the plates up a little bit, make them grab a little bit more. I'm just going to replace the clutch anyway. My main concern was how the transmission was working. The transmission shifts perfect. No effort at all in shifting it. I am having a little problem with the front brakes. I bled them twice. They're still not really working correct. It slows the bike, but if I had to do a hard stop, they're not going to hold. The rear brakes work fine, which surprises me because I thought the rear brakes were going to be the trouble. But after getting all the crud out of it and flushing the lines, the rear brakes work fine. I don't know what the deal is with the front brakes. I'm just going to have to keep working on it. Anyway, I'm only going to have it on the road a couple more weeks. I registered, insured it, and changed the title yesterday. So I finished it up this morning. Again, you're going to see a couple of videos on the clutch and everything like that, what I found in the clutch. So anyway, check this video out, this short video out. Let me know what you think. Just leave your comments below. Thanks.